Yeah, it's also look nice. Good. So hello friends, today we are going on this image which name is which represented here. So actually they are given here. This is a front view as well as its left hand side view. They have not given our top view. So for that, how we are going to make this orthographic to isometric, let's see in the Solidworks software. Okay, first of all we have to see all the diagram, and first to analyze which which plane is useful for first. So for that, I think here left hand side. So we are going on this plane and make like this and select the right plane. Yes. So select it and front view is good, I think. So okay, let's front view. Okay, so mate 72, yes, 48, yeah, okay. So made firstly these things. Sorry, I want to take center rectangle, so I take it and made it how it is 48 and tab 72. Yes, right, I have done this. Okay, so for more surety I have give its dimensions. Okay, is it fine? Yes, it is fine. This is here. Okay, 72 and 48. Okay, this is 48. Okay, 48, and now we are going to draw a beautiful thing, and we want to extrude. And how much we want to extrude it? Up to this. So total is 104. So 104, please. 104. Here one thing is that we have taken all the dimensions is in mm. Mostly in engineering we are going for mm, but if you want to change, so we want to change before the start our sketch. So that is here. Okay. So now we came at here. Okay. We made it like this whole box. Now we want to made like this type of step. So how we are going to make click a 24. Okay. After that, okay, we want to cut like this. Okay, so 24 16, right. So select this plane and click right click on it and sketch. Okay, now take this line from this point, draw a 24 line, and after that go undergo it on up to 16. Yes, after give it length to it, after also 16. After that up to this, we don't know about this but we know about this, so I am giving dimension to it, which is 24. Yes. Okay, so how much it is? Okay, this is also 24. Good. So now we want to complete this case. So how we are going to complete? Yes, yes, if we want to complete like this, it is okay, but there is another way which we can do like this, which is convert entities. Convert entities. And now we have convert entities it. So now we are going to cut it. So for that extrude cut is useful this, and let's see, we can easily by convert the entities, it is also make the closed area of our. So for that this is useful. And how much inner side it is? So 104 minus 24 means 80. Okay, so 80, up to 80 we want to cut. So yes, Yes, so up to 80 we have cut it, and see whatever required in this picture we have made it like this. So we have easily done these things, which is very easy task for us. If you want to color it, how you can do it? So for that you should edit appearance, click on it, and which color do you want? So I using this here, and see you can just click on it and it's colorized. You can also appearance, in which you can also go through like this appearance, uh, texture, look, it's too much different. If you want it painted like this, so it is also available. Colored, yeah, it's also look nice, good. So yes, this is all very good. And what I want to tell you about this, that if you want to color these things, so how you get it? So for that you clearance again, and look, right now you can see these things. So I want to make it red, it no, not red, yellow. Whatever color do you want, you can click here, and so it looks too much fantastic. So by using this you can do like this type of things. Thank you for watching your my video. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please likes and share with your friends so they can also learn something from this. And if you want to some improvement in my videos, please note down or please give me a comments in my box, so I can easily go through that. So thank you for your support.